Sometimes you look for a smartphone that's different. Sometimes you look for a smartphone to have the cool factor. Sometimes you look for a smartphone that gives you more for less of the price. Well, introducing the new Unihertz Luna, a smartphone that's different, a smartphone that gives you more for less of the price. Let's talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So some will say that the Unihertz Luna is a direct copy of the Nothing Phone 1. Well, and that's the case, you may not know what Unihertz is. If you watch my channel, I've reviewed a lot of Unihertz devices, from the Titan, the Unihertz Pocket, to the Unihertz Slim, and more. When you look at these devices, you already know how Unihertz roll. So it's no big surprise to see Unihertz make a smartphone like this. It's no surprise. But you know what? Before I go any further, let's go and talk about the unboxing experience if you buy this device. So check this out. All right, so here it is. This is the Unihertz Luna. Nice little silver box here. Let's take it out of the box, open the lid up. Let's see what we get in the box. Oh man, love this presentation. Look at this presentation. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. All right, we got the Luna itself. Ooh, it's a chunky boy here. Wow, that's pretty thick. All right, so let's see what we get in the box. Hey, we get a power brick in the box. Oh yeah, we get a power brick in the box. And we get USB-C to USB-A. And I think that's gonna be it. All right, USB-C to USB-A. And man, this is nice. Look at that presentation. Hey, wow, man, we get a screen protector. Okay, there's gonna be a plastic screen protector, and you're gonna get your books and stuff, and you're gonna get a SIM ejection tube. Hey, so you get screen protector here, and let's take the plastic off here. Ooh. Hey, look at that. All right, look at that. Hey, it's a case. Oh man, it comes with a case on it. Ooh, she's a little thick. All right, so it comes with a TPU case. It comes with a screen protector, and look at that. So let's talk about the specs. The Unihertz Luna has a 6.8-inch 1080p IPS 60Hz display. It has the MT6789 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, no SD card support. On the rear, you got a triple camera setup, a 108 megapixel main camera, a 20 megapixel night camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Now in the front, you have a 32 megapixel camera. Now powering this device is a huge 5,000 milliamp battery. Now this device have a lot of extras. It does have face unlock, a fingerprint scanner on the side, and you can use your pattern or pin to unlock this device. And again, this device has a whole lot of extras, such as a IR blaster, headphone jack, a case in the box, along with the charger and the charging cable. You get 2 screen protectors, one on the device and one extra. And you know what's so awesome? You have these LED lights on the back that can be customized to your liking. And not only that, it has more. You got NFC for mobile payments. It's dual SIM, so you can pop in 2 SIM cards on here. And all of that, it comes in at an introductory price of $299. Now this device comes in 2 colors, black and white. I will leave links down in the description below. But as of me recording this video, this product is on pre-order. So let's take a look at the Luma. On the right side here, you got your volume up and down. Next, you have a power button that does as a fingerprint scanner. On the left side here, you have two programmable buttons. I have one to open up my camera and one to open up YouTube. On the top, you got your headphone jack, a microphone, and an IR blaster. Now at the bottom, you got your dual SIM slots, right? One speaker grill, and you have a USB charging ports. Now in the front, you do have this massive display, beautiful at 1080p 60 hertz. And on the back, you do have your LED lights with the Unihertz signature right here in the middle. Now, as far as the build quality, it's very solid, kind of thick and heavy, about 300 grams. You know what? For the price, you really get a good, nice package here, but this is a nice chunky boy. It's heavy, just so you know. 300 grams, this device is extremely heavy. So let's talk about the performance on the Luna. It has the MT6789 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. 8 gigs of RAM is really nice. But we're talking about a mid-range chipset here. Please understand the cost of this device, $299. So my expectations is like this phone will perform like a $299 phone. But I was able to play high-end games with no problem. Let me show you. So going through the OS and opening up apps, it was okay. But at this price point, listen, price versus product, it's okay for me. Price versus product. So let's talk about these LEDs on this device, which is a very cool factor here, a different look using this device. Look, you can either have a widget on your home screen, like I have right here. You can have a widget, or you could go into your settings and configure your lights the way you want to. You have a lot of functionalities when it comes down to programming these lights and customizing these lights. So when it comes down to watching videos, listening to music, or even getting your notifications, these LED lights is very cool, right? So let's talk about these cameras. At $299, there's a 108 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel night camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. I went out and I shot some footage, and I want to show y'all guys how good these cameras are. Pretty shocking results overall, but check this out.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Unihertz Luna. Now I'm shooting this at 1440p 2K resolution here, and I got the EIS on. So here is the video footage of this camera here. Looking at the viewfinder, it looks really good, looks really good. All right, let's go to the walk so y'all guys can see the stabilization of EIS. It doesn't have optical image stabilization, but it does have EIS. So there you go. Now, looking at the viewfinder, the image quality absolutely looks great at this price point for this device. Now, one of the things that I would encourage if you do get this device and you're going to take still footage, make sure you go into your settings and set to 108 megapixel, because at default it's set at 12 megapixel. So if you want to get the best image quality, you definitely want to go inside your settings and you want to set it appropriately when it comes down to stills. And also, if you want to get the best video quality, I would highly recommend that you set it at 2K. Now, this device does not have 4K or 8K for that, but at $299, hey, I mean, it's kind of a steal for what you see here, what you get. All right, so this is the front-facing camera of the Luma, and it's at 1080p. It's maxed out at 1080p. And again, no optical image stabilization. This is going to be 1080p, 1080p EIS. But yeah, here is the image quality. 32 megapixel camera on this one. So this is the best you're going to get from this device. And as I transition into the sun a little bit, you're going to see the background start going down a little bit as the device kind of focuses a little bit on my face. And as you can see how the background kind of trimmed down a little bit as my face get brighter. So there it is. This is auto mode. So, and it does have pro mode on here. So that's a good thing. Just so you know, sun is really bright. All right, so this is the front facing camera of the Unihertz Luna. Okay, so here's my conclusion. This is not a full review. I only been having the Unihertz Luma for about 3 days. So things like battery life, I need further testing. But with the 5,000 milliamp battery here on this device, it has been overall amazing, especially with the chipset that's in this device. So you're definitely going to get good battery life, but I got further testing to do. I'm overall impressed when it comes down to the cameras. The stills on here is really good. Now, you do have to put it on 108 megapixel in the settings. Now, this device doesn't have optical image stabilization. It doesn't have 4K. I mean, again, for $299, I believe it's passable. But there's some things that you need to know about this phone. This phone is a 4G only device. I tested it on T-Mobile and Mint Mobile, and it works great. It's a bummer that it's only 4G, but at $299, I can see where the cost cutting came in at. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind, and I need to say this is not a $1,000 plus flagship. This is not a gaming phone. This is not a high-end camera phone. This is not the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is no high-end Pixel 8, Pixel 7 Pro. This is not the device here. If you want to see videos like that, I do have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel to help. Lastly, as of me recording this video, the Unihertz Luna is on Android 12. Hopefully we'll get Android 13 when it's released, because right now it's on pre-order. So hopefully Android 13 will come out on this device when it drops. If you want to see more Unihertz Luna videos, I got a lot coming. So stay tuned and subscribe. I only been having this phone for 3 days, so I got further testing to do. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Unihertz Luna in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.